A winter is magical, with cozy blankets, hot cocoa, and snowflakes. But you know what's not magical? Dry, flaky, and cracked skin that makes you uncomfortable all season long. Don't worry, the Healthtive is here with tried and true tips to keep your skin soft, glowing, and healthy this winter. First, let's understand why winter can be so harsh on your skin. Cold air outside has very little moisture, and when you step inside, heating systems zap what's left of it. Add hot showers and wool clothing to the mix, and your skin is screaming for hydration. Tip number 1, stay hydrated. We tend to drink less water in winter because we don't feel as thirsty, but your skin needs that hydration. Warm water with a slice of lemon can do wonders, and eating water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, and even soups can help. Let's talk about layering. Just like you layer clothes to stay warm, your skin needs layers to stay protected. Start with a hydrating serum. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Then follow up with a thicker moisturizer to seal it in. And yes, sunscreen is non-negotiable, even in winter. Did you know adding a humidifier to your home can drastically improve your skin? A humidifier adds moisture back into the dry air, keeping your skin hydrated all day long. Hot showers might feel amazing, but they strip your skin of essential oils. Instead, keep your showers short and lukewarm. And don't forget to apply moisturizer immediately after showering to lock in the hydration. Our hands, lips, and feet often take the brunt of winter dryness. Use a hand cream after every wash, keep a lip balm with SPF handy, and don't forget to slather your feet with a thick cream before bed. Top it off with socks for the ultimate overnight treatment. Believe it or not, your wardrobe can affect your skin. Wool and synthetic fabrics can irritate your skin, so always layer a soft cotton fabric underneath to protect it. And don't forget gloves. They're your best defense against dry, cracked hands. As promised, here's a bonus tip using ingredients you already have at home. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and a few drops of olive oil. Apply this mask to your face for 15 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. It's hydrating, soothing, and 100% natural. Winter nights are perfect for self-care. Use a thicker moisturizer or facial oil before bed, and don't skip your under-eye cream. A good night's sleep combined with a nourishing routine will have your skin thanking you in the morning. That's it for today's video. With these easy winter skincare tips, you'll keep your skin healthy, hydrated, and happy all season long. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the Healthtive, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future health and wellness videos. And hey, don't leave without dropping a comment. What's your go-to winter skincare hack?